In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use HubSpot Meeting Scheduler. If you want a simple way to let people pick a time without the back and forth, this walkthrough will take you from setup to sharing your booking link. First, connect your calendar so HubSpot can prevent double bookings. In HubSpot, open Settings, go to General, then Calendar. Click Connect Your Calendar and choose Google or Gmail, Office 365, or Exchange. Follow the prompts to authorize access so HubSpot can read your free and busy times and create events on your behalf. Make sure you pick the calendar you actually use for meetings, especially if you manage multiple calendars. When the connection is successful, HubSpot will hold time automatically once someone books. Next, create a scheduling page, which is the booking experience your contacts will see. From the main navigation, go to Sales and select Meeting Scheduler. Click Create Scheduling Page in the top right. You'll be asked to choose a meeting type. One-on-one is for a single host. Group shows only the times when all selected team members are available, so the guest can meet with everyone at once. Round Robin exposes the individual availability of team members and rotates bookings among them to balance the load. Note that Group and Round Robin require paid sales or service seats. Now customize the scheduling details. In the overview, give the page an internal name your team will recognize, set the event title that guests will see on the invite, and add the location, such as a physical address or a video meeting link like Zoom or Google Meet. In the Schedule section, define the days and hours you're bookable. Choose which durations you'll offer, such as 15, 30, or 60 minutes. And add buffer time so meetings aren't stacked back to back. In the Form section, add or edit the questions people must answer before booking, like their company name or the reason for the meeting. Under Automation, turn on confirmation emails and set pre-meeting reminders, for example, 1 hour before, to reduce no-shows. With your page live, it's time to share it. Copy the direct link from the Meeting Scheduler dashboard to include in one-to-one emails. Add the link to your HubSpot email signature so it's always available. To let visitors book directly on your site, copy the embed code and place the calendar on a page or landing page. And if you're using Sales Hub sequences, insert the meetings token so prospects can pick a time right from your automated outreach. That's it. Your HubSpot meeting scheduler is ready to use and share.